What we expect from flooring goes beyond beauty alone. Strength that withstands heavy loads. With care that keeps everyday spaces clean, and a commitment to the environment with the future in mind, DuraFloor, the next generation of flooring, changes everything. Thanks to its proprietary multi-layer structure, DuraFloor delivers exceptional strength. Even vehicles passing over it or casters rotating 2 million times leave not a single scratch. Durability that protects your assets for more than a decade. Flooring that does more than support today, it supports the future. Installation is remarkably fast, with no long curing time required like conventional coating-based protection systems. Walkable within 12 hours of installation, and vehicle traffic is possible in just 48 hours. Daily maintenance requires nothing more than mopping or wiping with water. Tire marks and oil stains are removed with a single wipe, no detergents needed. DuraFloor complies with the F4 star standard and contains no formaldehyde or asbestos, delivering safety and peace of mind. With chemical resistance and slip resistance, it is trusted in educational facilities and medical environments, and its long lifespan helps reduce waste, contributing to a healthier planet. Responsibility for the future, starting from the floor. DuraFloor offers a wide range of design variations. Wood grain, stone, carpet textures, and even lime processing for parking areas. A diverse lineup tailored to each application brings new character to every space. A new era of flooring that combines design excellence with high performance. Walk with confidence after just 12 hours. Durability that lasts over 10 years. A flooring solution that is kind to people and the environment, redefining industry standards on site. The next generation choice, DuraFloor. JNet Company, Limited.